Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for allowing me to speak. आज डिबेट हो रही है प्री बजट और I will take this opportunity to congratulate Sindh government for a job which they've done very nicely. However, there's still a long way to go, and I'm sure in the coming years things will become better for ordinary citizens. As a country, we have a serious economic situation that we've faced over the years. But we are a very resilient nation, and I think we've overcome all hurdles collectively. And I think that is the key. Collective wisdom is what you need to tackle the problems that we are facing today as a country, as a province, and as a district for myself. In some of the key areas that I think we need to look into, which I'm sure the government is, empowering the female gender, which is the key to our success. Agro-based industry and normal जो common industries हैं उसके base को बढ़ाना, that is also one of the keys. IT development जो दुनिया इस वक्त उसके अंदर अरबों डॉलर्स और पता नहीं कितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं, plus it's beneficial for the country. I think IT development is where our focus should be. Infrastructure development, which is absolutely critical. So I'm sure we will be looking into that. Agro-revolution, new type of agriculture initiatives, वो लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं इस जगह पे आपको एक मिसाल दूंगा. When I was the irrigation minister in the previous times, we were taken to Australia by the World Bank to go and visit Australian agriculture, and they had huge issue of water. वो हमें एक orchard में ले गए, maybe a 400 acre orchard, all mechanized farming. They had fruit farms, they had chocolate factory, they had milk plant, they had dairy farm, and I very innocently asked, आपका इधर turnover क्या है? And believe you me, I was shocked when they told me that for this 400 acre orchard, our turnover is about 70 million Australian dollars. So we can do wonders with our agriculture. Skilled labor, which is most important, that we create a pool of skilled labor ताकि हम उसको अपने province में इस्तेमाल कर सकें और with इस skilled labor को हम आगे दूसरे provinces को भेज सकें. Sir, budget is not just about numbers. It's about priorities, policies, and the well-being of our people. I think that's where the bottom line is. अगर जो लोग हमें वोट दे के भेजते हैं वो इधर इसलिए नहीं भेजते कि हम खामोश हो जाएं, चुप हो जाएं और कोई बात ना करें. I think we owe it to our people. We must speak and we must be forceful and we must say what we need to say to safeguard what Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Sahab's philosophy was, to empower the people. I think that is what we need to do. Sindh is the key economic engine of our country and it has tremendous potential. We must look into that seriously and find a way out of this. Now the key issue, sir, of course, I am not an expert, I am not an accountant or a chartered accountant or an economist. But I think what I feel and I see, what I read, what I hear, fiscal discipline is an absolute must. Robust audit system is a must. We should have a third-party audit in our system so that we ensure that that the funds are safe and everything is safe for the betterment of the people. Accountability is a must, sir. The Sindh Revenue Board must be digitized, must be automated, so that we can rely on our departments, our organizations. Key areas, of course, development, which must be based on impact rather than political. It should be based on need rather than political. आप कोई किसी का भाई है, कोई किसी का चाचा है, इसको रोड दे दो, इसको फलानी दे दो. I think the poor people of our country need it. I give you an example of my own constituency in my own city of Dharki, Mustafabad. People are devoid of even, unko basic facilities available nahi hai. We need to focus on that. Education, of course, the Minister of Education is sitting here. I must congratulate him. He has put in a lot of effort. But I think it is imperative that we need to improve the standard, and especially the standard of the teachers. जिस उस्ताद को खुद पता नहीं है उसने क्या पढ़ाना है, वो आगे क्या पढ़ाएगा. So I think that is where Teach the Teacher programs should be introduced on frequent basis, and a separate budget must be kept for that. Infrastructure development, I must say, infrastructure development is need of the hour. I have adopted a school in Daherki, और physics and biology के subjects के लिए कोई lab ही नहीं है. A metric student, how would he know what to do if you don't have? I went to school in Hyderabad public school. I then came to Karachi. हम लोग तो पूरे operations करते थे, frog की bisect करते थे, बहुत सारी चीजें होती थी. Where is that? There was a time, sir, people from other provinces came to Sindh for education. Our education economy was absolutely marvelous. But we need to bring it back. And only man, I think, who can do it is this gentleman, the Minister of Education. So I request him to look into it. Health, we've done wonderful things. In health, we have improved. Not only improved, now our health economy is doing better. People from other provinces are coming, even from abroad coming to our institutions in Karachi, in Gambert, and everywhere in Sakkar. But I would here request the health minister, who has also very kindly agreed with me, that we need to upgrade the Talka, especially the Talka and district hospitals, to a better level, so that people don't have to go to neighboring districts for minor things. I think it is imperative that we improve that infrastructure. And not only that, I think the emergency response system, which he's looking into, is an excellent initiative. Mother and child healthcare centers is need of the hour. We need to look into that, sir. Madam. Agriculture initiatives, I personally feel fair distribution of water within the province is a must. Theft must be stopped. Farmer subsidies must be given. Improved agriculture system should be in place. हमारे पास इस वक्त वैसे भी our ground level water is saline. So we have a salinity issue. Punjab doesn't, other province doesn't. I think Balochistan and Sindh are the two provinces, and especially Sindh. where salinity is an issue. The other day, the chief minister, he spoke very well on the canal issue. He was eloquent. He came up with the, एक उन्होंने पूरा हमें background and history दी, starting from the 1800s as to why the lower riparian Sindh, it is important for us that no new canals are taken out. I fully endorse that point of view. I fully endorse the resolution that we all passed. I am lucky that I was part of that resolution that we voted for. Now, sir, the Minister of Home is sitting here. He has, mashallah, done a lot of good work. But I think it's important that we invest in the right areas. We invest in technology. We invest in forensic sciences. We need to invest. We need to invest in human resource. We need to invest in infrastructure, in modern ammunition, modern equipment to be able to face the challenges. And I think we must do that. And I'm sure he will look into this, and with his foresight, I think things will get better and better, because I have faith in this gentleman that he will be able to do well and depoliticize the police systems. Let them operate, let them do the job for the poor people of our province. Now, industrial growth, I've already touched upon that subject, but I think we need industrial zones with specialized or special incentives.
Please wind up.
I will, just 2 minutes. The industrial growth for our areas to expand industrial base. Now, lastly, I would have spoken more, but since you've given me a cut-off period, my own constituency, I think we are in very need of a sewage system in our cities. Daherki, Mirpur, Matelo, including the whole of Ghotki district. Clean drinking water is what we need. Education, and we need improvement in that. University. And lastly, the CSR fund, which runs in billions, should be spent wisely, not on small, petty things. But we must build a state-of-the-art hospital or a university, not, let it go otherwise. In the end, my last point to the civil service of this province.
Thank you.
You are the backbone of our country. I gave you the example of Lodhi Sahab. What a man he was, an inspirational figure. Grow up, you people need, if you will perform, the province will run smoothly, we will have no problems, and inshallah, you will take a lot of du'as like our government, inshallah, is doing. They're setting the direction, but implementation comes through you. So please look into it, and I am sure, inshallah, things will get better. My prayers are with you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.